Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload videos to the Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. First, you have to go to business.facebook.com and make sure that you log in to the correct account. And after the create ad option, there's more button which has a drop down menu and you can select that. You can choose create a reel or create a story or go live. But there's also another way how you can upload videos, which is go to planner on the left hand side, and from there if you click that, it will let you schedule a post to a certain day or month. And you can just click on the create on the upper right side and hit on create post or create a story. So I'll just create a post, and as you can see here, you can add video or upload it from a desktop, upload a video and edit. But for me, I will just upload from a desktop. So for a while, here we are. It is now processing the media. You can just add text, emojis, hashtags, and you can also schedule the post when you wanted to upload. So you can just set here the date, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.